Today on Making Every Genre Delicious, we're going to show you how you can execute your own May the 4th desserts.
Really?
Execute? Our first treat is going to be Chewie Chewbacca cookies. Good job. You can use any chocolate chip recipe for this, but it's always better when it's chewy. Once the cookies are fully cool, I'm going to give each one of them a Chewbacca bandolier. Now that we've made our cookies, let's make some blue milk to go with it. I got this recipe off of starwars.com and I'll post it in the links. You've already guessed it, but we're gonna make some chocolate dipped pretzels. And obviously you can have the red, even though that's technically my color, and I'll take the blue. I've got a bad feeling about this. Just put that down. Great. For our last dessert today, we're going to make some cupcakes with Star Wars chocolates that we have at Cakes Cove. This might be why the Empire is not winning anything. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell us what you want to see us make in the comments below. May the 4th be with you.
Aren't you a little short to be a stormtrooper?
Maybe it is a little big.